afternoon.
Abuja's International Airport is called...
No, that's International Airport. It's not safe. It's not safe.
In which year was the FCT moved from Lagos to Abuja?
1991. 1991.
This is the last question. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis?
Calcium and carbon dioxide.
Why people believe academy called faith party? As the winner of the NUJ FCT 2026 competition.
Media literacy has got to say, and NUJ FCT will champion media literacy and journalism in the FCT. So once again, on behalf of the NUJ FCT, I congratulate you as the winner of this year's quiz competition. Thank you for your performance. For very excellent.
Everyone is a winner. Everyone is a winner. Tell yourself I'm a winner.
Extend our appreciation and ask them your mentorship is what we are all about. And this year's program, I'm happy that we got the winner and the runner. Please, teachers, make sure that you build your press club. Please, once in a while, organize program and invite the NUJ FCT. We will also attend. So I appreciate everybody, the planning committee. I say thank you, the coordinator of press club, my vice chairman, I say thank you very much. So on behalf of the NUJ FCT, I present this award for the first honor of presenting Abuja. Thank you very much.
Wow, thank you so much, Chair. Put your hands together for me. That was it.
Media literacy has got to say, and NUJ FCT will champion media literacy and journalism in the FCT. So once again, on behalf of the NUJ FCT, I congratulate you as the winner of this year's quiz competition. Thank you for your performance. For very excellent. Everyone, all the teachers say you have been a wonderful job. It's not easy to be a teacher to be fair. I cannot really do this. I cannot be a teacher. Because you come and teach and you have to teach to make sure you're excellent. So I say, thank you. Good job you're doing. Please keep it up. Let's do this again, same time, next year, 2027, we're going to do the same time. Congratulations for your participation. Thank you for accepting NUJ FCT to have this program in partnership with the board. You brought our students a mask. This is a way of all mentoring them, training them out. As a girl, you have to always be there number one and advice. Don't say until she's old enough for that. Just teach herself when she's growing. She know the dangers before it happens. Some people see different character and don't feel like asking questions because maybe their parents are not that kind of parent that give them much chance and they find it difficult to talk to other adults. So and you know how confidence can come as that question. And you may no child and no child gave you something. You know, please how learn how to say no to dangerous people.
My name is Neela Andrew. I'm from Beautiful Beginning Academy, Abuja.
So how do you feel about your experience there?
It was very nice. It was nice that I got to learn like all these things about journalism and even current affairs, like normal things. And it was also nice that I won, and it was just a very fun experience.
Does this give you a desire to become a journalist or something?
Yes, it does. I have actually talked to my mother about it,
About what?
about being a journalist.
Okay, so what would you like to say to students?
I would like to say that journalism is a very fun profession, and I think everybody should do it. Whether as a serious profession or as just a social media thing, everybody should do it.
What was the major challenge you faced during what you learned differently?
I think I learned that it's better to understand things than memorize or than cram them.
Alright, your name again?
Neela Andrew.
Eh?
Neela Andrew.
Nila, N-I-L-A.
Neila.
Enthusiastic because I learned something new today. I learned new friends, obviously. I met new people. I met challenge when questions from different angles are being fired at you, and it was kind of unique because today I knew that within me there's a power in me that I'm proving to the world that I'm really, really great.
So what can you say to the NUJ?
This institution is very nice and very helpful, helping the public, guide information, because what kills silence, what kills good conduct is silence. Where there is silence, there is no promotion of peace, there is no promotion of orderliness. So an institution where they promote peace, they promote speaking publicly, avoid keeping details or things happening to you in secret. That is unique, and I love that.
Your name again?
Oh, my name is Ifechukwu John Paul Nkonko. And by the way, I'm the head boy Cell Academy. Thank you, sir.
Your name in full?
My name is Yahaya Ndambabu. I'm the Vice Chairman of NUJ FCT Council. I'm also the coordinator of NUJ FCT Press Club.
What prompted you to organize this kind of event today for the students?
Okay, we conceived this idea of catching them young last year, before our last year press week. We are in the era of misinformation and fake news. So there is need for media literacy, and we feel that if we must achieve the aim of media literacy, we should start catching them young. And that is why we go back to secondary schools to educate the press clubs, members of press clubs, on the danger of misinformation, disinformation, and fake news. And we hope that they will step it down to other students in their various schools. So last year, we visited them in their schools to create this awareness. This year, we feel we should bring them to the council for something that has to do with journalism and media literacy, and that is why we introduced the quiz competition. And you can see that we are able to access their knowledge on media literacy and journalism through the quiz competition.
Right. Thank you so much. Your name again, sir?
My name is Yahaya Ndambabu.